How do you write the Lewis dot structure for CO2? Carbon dioxide Lewis structure, right? So to write the Lewis dot structure for CO2, at first we have to find the valence electron of CO2. Carbon is an element of group 4a, that is why it has 4 valence electron, and oxygen is an element of group 6a, that is why it has 6 valence electron. But here we have 2 atom of oxygen, so you need to multiply by 2. So 4 plus 12, that gives us 16 valence electron, right, for CO2. This 16 valence electron has 2 tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 3 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy the octet of these 3 atoms, so that most of the atoms have uh, 0 formal charge. So let us do that. So here's carbon is the central atom because it is least electronegative, or it has the highest capacity of making bond. You know that carbon has four carbon has 4 valency, right? So it can form 4 bonds. However, so here oxygen, so we need to connect. So to connect we need to put 2 dots, because 2 dots mean one single bond. So out of 16, to connect these 3 together, out of 16 we have used 4, so 12 valence electron left. And now this 12 valence electron will be used to satisfy the octet for outer atom first. So let us satisfy the octet for this oxygen. This oxygen has 2, because this electron is shared by both atoms, right? Okay, this oxygen has 2, so it will take maximum 6 to satisfy its octet. So if you deduct 6, then you have 6 valence electron left. So this 6 valence electron will come here, right? Now look, this oxygen has 2, 4, 6, 8. This oxygen has 8, and this oxygen also has 8. But this carbon has 4, only 4. So we need to satisfy the octet for the central atom now. So how can you do that? To satisfy the octet for central atom, you have to move lone pair as bond pair, right? And you have to do it symmetrically, because this oxygen is similar, right? If you move 2 pair of electron from one oxygen, then the formal charge will not be 0. But if you do equally, then formal charge will be 0, right? So let us move. I want to move this pair, so let us delete this pair. So delete. So look, now this carbon has 8 valence electron. This oxygen also has 8 valence electron, 8. And if you find the formal charge, then you will get formal charge 0 for all the atoms. So that is why this is the Lewis dot structure of CO2. That is, this is the way you can write the Lewis dot structure for CO. You can express this molecule like this. You can express this bond pair as dash. Right? You can express the bond pair as dash. So the Lewis dot structure is this or this. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.